On this island, there are red and green Sour Patch Kids who represent different alleles in a population. A new predator arrives. Gummy worms, who eat Sour Patch Kids, begin to affect the population, but they affect it disproportionately. The green Sour Patch Kids have a genetic advantage. Their green allele makes them harder to see. Since more individuals with the green allele survive, they produce more offspring who inherit the advantageous allele, whilst the red Sour Patch Kids slowly decrease in frequency as their red allele is a disadvantage. The phenomenon in which a change in the environment causes a change in allele frequencies due to preferential selection is known as natural selection. Natural selection is a common mechanism of evolution as it ensures the most adapted traits are passed on to future generations. As you can see, a green Sour Patch Kid leaves this island to migrate to another inhabited by only blue alleles. The green Sour Patch Kid is genetically compatible with the Sour Patch Kids on the island and begins to produce offspring with his green allele. He has introduced a new phenotype to the island. Gene flow can be beneficial or detrimental to the population depending on the allele that has been introduced. In this case, it is beneficial since the green characteristic, like in the last video, works as camouflage. This preferred allele is passed down generations and increases in frequency because of its advantageous quality. A group of Smarties have migrated to a new island. Some of these Smarties happen to settle in an area with fuzzy peaches, others in an area with Swedish berries, and the rest near sour watermelons. Over time, each group of Smarties adapt to their local food, resulting in genetic traits that would make eating their particular food much easier. This leads to the evolution of two new species, the Skittles that eat Swedish berries and the M&Ms that eat fuzzy peaches. This phenomenon is called adaptive radiation. It happens because species adapt to fill in different niches so to face less competition for otherwise shared resources.